Hi, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below. In this video, I'll show you how to create your Elrond Wallet. Open your browser and search Elrond Wallet. Under wallet.elrond.com, tap on Create Wallet. With Elrond Wallet, you can store and delegate your eGLD safely. Here's the difference between the Elrond Wallet and internet banking. We all know that wallets and accounts are everywhere on the web. Here's what's different about Elrond Wallet. For internet banking, they control your account. They control your money, they add fees, and they make the rules. However, for Elrond Wallet, you own your account, you control your money, you pay 100 times lower fees, and you can do what you want. Your security is paramount to Elrond team. With Elrond Wallet, they can't access your funds, they can't recover or reset your password, and they can't reverse, cancel, or refund transactions. The Elrond mainnet is live, so here's the most important info that you need to know. The Elrond economics has changed. eGLD is the new native Elrond token. This means 1,000 old ERD is equal to 1 new eGLD. You can send and receive eGLD to and from any mainnet wallet, and Genesis staking delegation rewards are available and unlock. Now, let me show you how to create your wallet. If you have your Elrond wallet, you just tap Access Existing. But for this video, let's create wallet. Please be reminded, blockchain do not have a reset password feature. All you get is a secret phrase to make sure you keep it safe. Click Continue. Please remember to write down your Elrond Wallet secret phrase, as you will be needing it to answer some questions to proceed with the wallet creation, and also for you to back up your Elrond Wallet. Next is you need to create your own personal password. After you create your own password, make sure you download your key store file and save it safely, as you will be needing it whenever you log into your Elrond Wallet. Now, let's go ahead and log in and navigate Elrond Wallet to get you started. Go to wallet.elrond.com. Here, drag and drop your key store file. Input your password and click Access Wallet. Here's how Elrond Wallet looks like. You can change theme by tapping this icon. They have light and dark mode. When you scroll down, you can see eGLD price, delegation cycle, and transactions. Under Menu, you can see Dashboard, Transaction, Send, Receive, Buy, Delegate, and Validate buttons. That's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Elrond Network video tutorials. See you on my next video.